Hi, my name is Jinju, and as you can see, the corn is bigger than me. And in the past videos, we didn't have corn, but right here, we actually do. Right there. So now, we're just gonna come over here, and we're gonna pick some potatoes. I can tell this is gonna be a big one.
Look at all those potatoes.
Look at this one.
Wow. Get in there. Oh, there you go.
There's a baby one right there. So now we're gonna pick these ones. And not a lot, but that's okay. Oh, I think that's the biggest one yet.
Careful with them.
There's one right there that's loose. Wait, that's attached. I think it's attached to this one. Oh.
Wow, good job, buddy.
Yeah. Some of the potatoes might fall off, but that's okay. Oh, that one's already picked. Now we're just picking some other potatoes. They may fall. But that's okay if they fall. So we're just gonna finish picking all these and we'll be right back, okay? So these are all the potatoes that we got. And by the way, if you guys had potatoes in your garden, comment down below how many you had. Bye. Bye.